We have 5 lawyers at Bonn Law. We practice exclusively plaintiff's personal injury. We don't act for insurance companies, and we have clients across Ontario.
Part of the work we do here is certainly helping people who have been injured as a result of slips and falls or other injuries that may not be just because of a motor vehicle accident. One common area we see frequently is people who slip and fall on icy sidewalks or icy roadways. Some of the first things you should be doing is to preserve evidence that might be helpful to your case. So if it's a slip and fall, you're going to want to take pictures of the scene. This is particularly important if you slipped on ice and the ice is still there. You're going to want to take a picture of that ice and the slippery surface so that we have evidence of it going forward. As well, you're going to want to preserve the shoes that you were wearing that day, even if you need to take a picture of the treads or the shoes themselves. Certainly take those pictures so that we have that evidence.
There are a lot of lawyers who practice in the area of personal injury, but not a lot of people specialize in the area of personal injury. When you have a lawyer who specializes in the area of personal injury, you're really getting the benefit of that intensive experience that person has had prosecuting this sort of claim, the breadth of experience they've had dealing with the various insurance companies, dealing with the other defense counsel, for example, and really accumulating a broad knowledge base in this area that maybe a lawyer who just dabbles in the area might not know.
One common area we see frequently is people who slip and fall on icy sidewalks or icy roadways. And there's a particular requirement when you slip and fall due to road conditions or sidewalk conditions from a municipality that you have to give notice to the municipality within 10 days of the event happening. And a lot of people don't know that, and by the time they contact us, we're already past the 10-day period. So it's very important that if you have had an accident on public property or had any kind of slip and fall where public property might be involved, that you contact a lawyer right away. And if you don't contact a lawyer, you should certainly contact the city in writing and let the city know what happened. At Bonn Law, we have experienced lawyers who've been in the business for 40 years, doing serious personal injury cases all the way to trial. We'll be able to let you know whether or not it's a case that we can help you with. And if so, then we'll schedule a meeting where we can get into more details about exactly what happened and let you know what your rights and potential recovery might be from the case.